Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it sort of looks like we're back on regular filming schedule, but I can't really promise that. Anywho, you guys remember when I made this wig? This hair is from All My Hair. I made this wig like months back, and I had to use a developer to change the color, lift the color, and then I had to do those like really tight curls and waves. So, I got tired of the waves and the curls, and I said, okay, let me do something I usually wouldn't do. And I've been wanting to do like super, super, super short hair for a while. So I figured, let me just turn this hair into that. So I went ahead and I took the hair down, washed the bundles, remade the wig, which, if you watch my video from last week, you'd realize with my new method, you wouldn't have to, take the entire wig down before you can remake it. All you have to do is to take down the frontal and then you put a new frontal and then you're good to go. But because this is like an old method of wig making that I used to do, I had to, take the entire thing down. Plus, because of the style that I was going for, I knew I needed lesser bundles. So the hair initially was two bundles, and all my hair bundles, I think all of them are double drawn, super double drawn. I doubt if this is super double drawn, but then it's still like very, very, heavy top to bottom. And I didn't want that sort of like bulky look. I wanted something very simple, more on the like natural looking side, like it was my real hair, and just super airy, super super short. So one thing I realized, I don't know how and I don't know why, but after making the wig is like too small to fit my head. I don't know if it's because I used less bundles and they were like bigger. Like, as you guys can see, there's like big gaps because I had to use less hair, like I said. So um I still don't know, but my only guess is the fact that I use less hair. So I don't know if you guys are gonna, try this style and you're gonna use less hair. Maybe pin the cap like a little bigger than you normally would pin it onto your mannequin, so that when you're done, it's actually gonna fit your head. Or you can use the non-stretchy type of wig caps to make the wig. So this video isn't gonna be like an in-depth tutorial, me talking you guys through stuff, because I already have like various tutorials. I have a tutorial on how I lifted the color, how I prep my frontals. I have a tutorial even on how I cut, like bulbs or hair this short, and I have tutorials on how I straighten it. I have tutorials on how I make a frontal wig. So I'm going to link everything down below so you guys can, go through the process like little by little, instead of me jamming and cramping and putting everything all together into one video. So one thing I noticed was, you guys can see like this frontal looks very beat. Like most of the hair in the front has come off, but then in some weird funny way it makes it look even more natural. So I was like, no way I'm going to, change the frontal. I'm going to use the same frontal. And I was like thinking of the whole process of me having to dye, like, because like I said before, I had to dye it. The hair wasn't this color initially. I had to lift the color, and I didn't use bleach. I just used developer. So if you're interested, just go to the description oh my gosh, sorry, description box after watching this video and watch how I did that. So yeah, basically this video is just me chit chatting, talking to you guys, because it's been a while. I haven't really been here like as much, because I don't know, I've just been busy with mostly my personal channel, and then been busy with work as well. So yeah, and I haven't like really done new looks for myself. So it's like I don't really have a lot of ideas and contents for this channel. So like yeah, sorry sorry about that. But anywho, yeah, basically, and then oh, this hair, what's it called? This hair is actually very wavy. Like I tried to curl, oh, sorry, to straighten the curls from it, but like it still held the waves up, even though I'd bleached. Sorry, lifted the color with a chemical and everything. So yeah, like I really love that fact about it because once you have it in curls, like your curls are not going to change or move or anything. It's gonna stay for a long while. So yeah, I wanted to keep this video very short. I'm gonna leave links to detailed videos, and I'm gonna come back next week and then show you guys how I will be wearing and installing this wig. So if you want to see that, definitely come back next week. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and join the family. So I'll see you guys next week. Toodles!